used to think if I couldn't find hope, I should just let it all go. I used to
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Myra. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, I welcome you once again. I did this African threading to strengthen my natural hair. I have a tutorial of how I did that. I'll put the link down below in the description box so that you can click and watch it, okay? As this African threading method also helped to stretch my natural hair for this protective style. Now I'll go ahead and unravel my hair, then apply my coconut oil as you saw me doing, and then detangle my hair with my afro comb. Your natural hair is short or you have short natural hair like mine, I will advise that you stretch your natural hair before you do this protective style. Okay guys, now welcome you back once again to my channel. Now after detangling, I'll go ahead and divide my hair into 2 equal halves with my tail comb. For this protective style, I'm not going to apply any gel at all. This is just 10 minutes natural hair protective style without any gel, okay? Now, after dividing the hair into 2 equal halves, I'll put the front of the hair into one twist, then start working from the back of our natural hair. I'll grab my afro comb and comb the back, then brush the back backwards with my hairbrush. So I'll put the back into one band with the help of a thread. You can also use a shoelace or an elastic band, okay? But I prefer to use this black thread. Then I'll tie the thread upwards to secure the band and then cut the excess thread with my scissors. The back of my natural hair, I wanted to look like a round bun, but since my hair is short and I can't create that style, after combing the back with my afro comb, I decided to use this hair donut to achieve that. So I'll go ahead and spread the band, place the hair donut in the band or the hair, then I'll conceal the hair donut with my natural hair and secure it with some bobby pins so that it will not fall. Nobody will know that you use a hair donut, okay? Okay guys, now let's move on to the front of our natural hair. So for this section, I'll unravel the twist, comb the hair with my afro comb. Now as I said earlier, this is no gel protective style, but I wanted the front to look neat, so I applied a small amount of my shine and jam gel with the help of my edge brush. This is personal preference, okay? Then brush the hair upwards with my hairbrush and then the edge brush too. Then I'll take a section with my tail comb, as you will see very soon, from my right side, swirl it and place the ends on the hair in the back and then secure it with a bobby pin. I'll do the same thing on my left side. Please keep watching. Guys, now the hair in between these two styles, I'll do a curved pattern from my right side to get a section of it and start flat twisting all the way to the very end. Then I'll place the ends on the hair in the back and then secure it with a bobby pin. Don't worry, you will see what I mean very soon, so please keep watching, okay? Okay, so I'll take another section giving the same pattern on my right side and start flat twisting all the way to the very end. But for the ends of this twist, I will cross it over the first twist I did and secure it with a bobby pin. I hope you all understand what I mean. I repeated the same style on my left side, so the flat twist will start from my left side all the way down. I know that some of you find it very challenging when it comes to flat twist, but don't worry, if you keep trying, it will work, okay? Don't give up. Okay guys, This is the end result of this protective style. Do you like it? Are you going to try it? Let me know by commenting down below in the comment section, okay? Then I laid my edges, put on my satin head wrap for an hour whilst I did my makeup. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, guys, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, mwah, bye-bye, bye.
I used to think if I couldn't find hope, I should just let it all go. I used to think if I couldn't make dreams come true, I should just let them all